Get ready to meet from the airport from Korea. I like this shirt and this shirt. This and this from the Korea. Going to airport. Having a bag like this. And so many, my mom has so many candy there. So, let's go. So, first we're going to find a bag. Guguya gunguye, guya gunguye. Tiptay tamalala, niptay tama. Guguya gunguye, guguya gunguye. Tipsay tamalala. Oh, this is my cat. So, his name is Gray. And this is my black bread. Cute. So, she's so cute. So, she went to the bridge. Packing cats from dying. Joke. Practice. So good. At my labubu. Look, labubu. So I brought my labubu. Charging. Labubu. Look, I'm going to Tagalog. So, I brought ang labubu ko na nagkakana, naglalakad. Ayan. So, like that ang Tagalog. Charging labubu. Wait. This is my bag. Oh. I got... So, I need my crow. I brought my sticker of nails. So, I brought this. Bye. 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 Bye, my cat. So, outfit reveal. So, bye-bye. I'm gonna miss you. Bye-bye. I'm gonna miss you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye to them. Bye-bye.